our folks ever do it. They stuck together all those years. I hope we can.
Oh, I'm sure we can.
Your folks are great. It must have been fun growing up with them.
My folks?
Yes. Your mother's wonderful. And your dad. What an interesting life he's had.
It's true. Good old Dutch. The Dutchman's not the kind of man to keep his thumb jammed in the dam that holds his dreams in. But that's a secret only Margaret knows. When Amsterdam is golden, in the morning Margaret brings him breakfast. She believes him. He thinks the tulips bloom beneath the snow. He's mad as he can be, but Margaret only sees that sometimes. Sometimes she sees her unborn children in his eyes.
The Dutchman still wears wooden shoes. His cap and coat are patched with love that Margaret sewed in. Sometimes he thinks he's still in Rotterdam. Watches tugboats down canals and calls out to them when he thinks he knows the captain. Till Margaret comes to take him home again through unforgiving streets that trick him, though she holds his arm. Sometimes he thinks that he's alone and calls her name. The windmills whirl the winter in. She winds his muffler tighter. They sit in the kitchen. Some tea with whiskey keeps away the dew. He sees her for a moment, calls her name. She makes the bed up, humming some old love song. She learned it when the tune was very new. She hums a line or two. They hum together in the night. The Dutchman falls asleep. Margaret blows the candle out.
Let us go to the banks of the ocean, where the walls rise above Zuyder's Zee. Long ago, I used to be a young man, and dear Margaret remembers that for me. Let us go to